lived here all my life. Very nice. It's a safe environment. Wouldn't trade it for the world.
This is my hometown, so this is a big deal for an expansion coming to Modine and Buena Vista. So over the years, Buena Vista has lost a lot of industry, and this is just a great thing for the area to have an expansion going on when other companies have left the area.
It means so much to our community. I live right around the corner, so many people do. And it's a wonderful place to work, and it's right in the middle of our little town.
For my future here, I've enjoyed my job here, and I will hopefully continue. My dream is to be able to retire from this facility in this area in Buena Vista. And it means a lot to be able to work in my hometown and raise a family.